Good morning, welcome back. My today's questions are related to the topic development, the very first chapter of economics, which is very important. So let's start. Write any three aims by the people of a country for development. Answer. First, regular employment. Second, increase in income. Third, freedom and security. Name the areas which are required for human development. Answer. Health, education, equality, freedom, and respect. Define national income. It is the monetary value of all goods and services produced within the nation during the accounting year, and in short, you can say it is the income of all the residents of the country. What is per capita income? Answer. Per capita income is calculated by taking national income and dividing it by total population. It is also known as average income. The classification of nation by World Bank is done on the basis of what? Answer. On the basis of per capita income. What is Human Development Index? Answer. Human Development Index is an index prepared by United Nations Development Program, which is also known as in short UNDP, on quality of life. On what basis comparison of different nations are taken place in Human Development Report? Answer. On educational level, health status and per capita income. What do you mean by infant mortality rate? Answer. Infant mortality rate is the number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1,000 live children born in that particular year. What do you mean by literacy rate? Proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group is known as literacy rate. What is net attendance ratio? Answer. Net attendance ratio is the total number of children of age group 14 to 15 attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Why is literacy essential for human development? Answer. Literacy increases the human capabilities which leads to human development. According to the World Development Report, countries with per capita income of dash per annum and above in 2016 are categorized in rich countries. Answer. US dollar 12,236 per annum. According to the World Development Report, countries with per capita income of dash per annum and above in 2016 are categorized in the low income countries. Answer. US dollar 1005 per annum. India comes in the category of dash countries. Answer. Low income countries. What is the full form of PDS? Answer. Public distribution system. PDS shop like ration shop. Development should be take place without damaging the environment, and development in present should be compromised with the need of future generation is known as dash. Answer: sustainable development. Resources which will get exhausted after year of use is called dash. Answer: non-renewable resources. What proportion of the country is overusing their groundwater reserves? Answer: 1/3. HDI rank of India in the world out of 188 countries in 2015 was answer 131 rank. India's per capita income in US dollar is dash Sri Lanka in 2015. Answer: less than Sri Lanka in 2015. For calculating body mass index BMI, weight of person is divided by dash. Answer: square of the height. If BMI is less than 18.5, then the person would be considered dash undernourished. If BMI is more than 25, then the person would be considered as dash. Answer: overweight. Kerala has low infant mortality rate because answer: it has adequate provision of basic health and educational facilities. Sustainable development concentrates on dash and dash. Answer: on present generation and future generation. Thank you so much.